I'm Mitch, and for today, we will be doing easy cakesicles, okay? Easy lang kasi wala tayong fondant on top later for decoration. So, just colored chocolates, tapos yung cake crumbs natin, ganache, and then the sprinkles, okay? So, that's our recipe. Colored chocolates, I have red, yellow, and green. Sorry, ang yellow ko parang malapit na maging orange. And then, I have cake crumbs, and then ganache. For the recipe, I'll put sa description below, okay? Kung gaano karami yung cake crumbs, and then gaano karami yung ganache. But actually, it's always 1:2. So, let's first mix the chocolate ganache sa ating cake crumbs. Let's make this Let's mix this one, tapos chill natin konti. Tapos balikan natin mamaya. Okay? Kailangan you'll get this kind of texture. Yan o. Yan. So, chill. And then, let's proceed to the chocolates. We can melt the chocolates either double boil natin or microwave. If you have microwave, mas mabilis. Okay? I have here Cakesicle molder. Pwede yung mas malaki, but this one, I think mas maliit to. Okay? Mas gusto ko to pang one tao lang. And you need popsicle sticks. Okay? Let's melt first green. I'll use the microwave ha. Melt ko muna lahat. For the microwave, every 15 seconds, remove from the microwave and then mix. And then melt it again. Okay, so I have here melted green chocolate. I'll put dalawa ha. Dalawa lang muna. Lagyan mo yung sides. Kasi yan yung importante. For this size, around mga 3 teaspoon yung nagagamit ko na chocolate sa bottom. And then another 2 teaspoon sa taas later. Pay attention sa side kasi yun usually yung nakakalimutan. Tapos later, masyado nang manipis dyan na part. Especially if you're using chocolate cake. Okay? And then after that, chill natin to for about mga 5 minutes para magtigas. Okay? Next, let's do the red. Sorry, ang dumi ng bowl ng red ko. Kasi I added cherry red, choco art. Yan. That's the color for your chocolate. Mas gusto kasi bloody red siya. So, I added color. Okay, then set natin. So, my green is set already. Kunin mo na yung cake na sinet natin. Okay. Actually, guys, similar siya ng cake pops. But for me, ha, mas gusto ko to. Kasi ayoko yung nagdidip. Then, ang style ko, ini-insert ko muna to. After this one, chill again. You tap it para sure na walang bubbles sa ilalim. Okay? And then, chill. Yan, it's done already, your cakesicle. I think ito yung pinaka-easy na design, guys, for Christmas. Okay? Drizzle mo lang. Okay? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking! Merry Christmas!